Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change Snapchat username. As for your Snapchat username, you pick a unique one when you first create an account. But now, if you're wondering, is there a way to change your Snapchat username? Well, we have answered your query in detail in this video. So watch until the end this video. Snapchat has finally started rolling out the option to change your username. It's worth mentioning that you can only change your Snapchat username once a year. We have used an Android device for this demonstration, but the steps remain the same on iPhone. With that out of the way, here's how to change your Snapchat username. Open Snapchat and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left corner to open your profile. When the profile page appears, tap the settings gear icon at the top right corner. Next, tap on username under the account and tap on change username to modify your current Snapchat username. Snapchat will now warn you that you can change your username only once a year. Tap on continue to acknowledge and type your new username in the username text box and press the next button. You should then enter your password and press the confirm button. When the confirmation prompt appears, press continue to confirm the changes. And that's it. Snapchat will show you a pop-up confirming that you have successfully changed your Snapchat username. As mentioned earlier, you will have to wait a year to change your username again. And note, the option to change your Snapchat username is available to all users now, which means you can easily update your username on Snapchat on your Android or iOS devices. Make sure you update the Snapchat app to the latest version available on Play Store and App Store, in case the option isn't showing up for you. In case you do not see the change username, even after updating Snapchat, you could try force closing the app and clearing the cache. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.